Here is the Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now that's what the bulbs are. The way to access it is you have to open the hatch. There is an access panel. For that you'll need a flathead screwdriver and you'll very likely need a socket ratchet combination with the 10mm socket. Get the screwdriver and pry the access panel out from over there. And that's what the bulbs are. For the reverse light bulb, you can just get it out, but it's kind of tight in there. You need smaller fingers to be able to get it out, and sometimes if it's too tight in there, you may not be able to get it. But I'm going to show you that it is in fact possible, and if it works for you, you can get the bulb holder out, get the bulb out, replace it, and then put the bulb holder back in. However, if you're not able to, I'm going to show you the other way. For now, let's just put this in and twist it right. You need to get the electrical connector out. So grab the flathead screwdriver, press down there and get the connector off. Now this light is being held in place by 3 nuts, 1 and 2 and 3 outside there. For that you will need the 10mm socket ratchet combination, and especially for this inside one, if you have an extension, that makes life easy. So let's go ahead and undo this nut and the outside 2 nuts, so 3 nuts in total, and keep them all somewhere safe. Now we need to get the light out of the body. So get the flathead screwdriver, use the back end of it and push on the studs. Use it to pop it off. 1, 2 and 3, all 3 of them. That is going to get the light out. Now you can comfortably access the bulbs. Now that's a reverse light bulb. Sometimes it may be stuck on there tight and you may have to use both your hands to twist it left to loosen it. And that's it. It's loose. Let's get the bulb holder out of the light. And the bulb is right there. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. It comes out, the bulb number is 921. That's the replacement size number, 921. Get the new bulb and push it in the bulb holder. Yeah, and now let's put the bulb holder back into the light. You have to align those 3 tabs on the bulb holder with the slots in the light, so that way it just drops right in. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in like that. At this point, simply twist your right to lock it in place, and you're done. Now let's put the light back in the body. Align the 3 studs with the 3 holes. Align it, that's looking good, and push it, and now it's in the body. Get the 3 nuts and start tightening them on one by one. 1, 2 and 3. Finally, don't forget to put the electrical connector back on. It only goes on in one way. Let's put the access panel back on, line it this way and push it to clip it on, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful.